Here's a quick review of the Cascade Mountain Tech aluminum tracking poles. Here's what comes in the box. A nice carrying case. Comes with all the usual attachments: mud and snow baskets, a rubber walking end, and a nice boot walking tip. The adjustable straps have a slight padding, and an end cap has a soft feel to it, along with a nice rounded corners, which is just above the molded cork grip that fits your hand great and is very comfortable. It also has a foam grip just below the cork to give you another option on how to grasp it. This is the small tip. Here's the boot tip along with the mud basket. The snow basket quickly screws into place as well. The easily adjustable clamps make it a snap to get them to the right level of pressure to hold them where you want them, while still making them quick to collapse and store. These are definitely some of our family's favorite go-to hiking sticks. I'm sure you will enjoy them as well.